What's the meaning of broadly based? Broadly based. Broadly based.
Broadly based. Broadly based. The term broadly based refers to something that is comprehensive and covers a wide range of areas or aspects. When something is described as being broadly based, it generally means that it is diverse, inclusive, and encompasses many different perspectives or elements. For example, a broadly based education curriculum might cover a variety of subjects and disciplines, while a broadly based investment portfolio might include assets from multiple industries and sectors. In general, a broadly based approach tends to be more resilient and flexible, as it is less dependent on any one particular factor or element.